Well, it's day 76. The sun is out and I'm wearing leggings. So we'll carry on discovering Grantown on Spey. I've just ran through Grant Park. I'm going to now head into Anagach Woods and to see a mountain bike skills area, which I can assure you is not easy to say. Cross over the bridge, head to the industrial estate, and I've heard there's a new dog park for Grantown. Is it ready yet? Is it open yet? That's my plans today. Nothing too exciting. Up this hill, try not to fall over. I'd love you to join me. Come along. So I thought to myself, I'm going to put leggings on. It's beginning to get a bit colder. I was so wrong. I've just ran just past the duck pond, going to follow this hill. I can realise how heavy the leggings actually are. But I'll struggle on. Thank you for your concern, especially you in the back. Let's go, Frank, you're talking. Let's go, come on. So every time I get near this, I'm thinking, I'm either going to jump over it or limbo underneath. I choose mystery option number 3, just to sneak by it. One day, Frank. Nope, never going to happen. No. I think one day I could jump that, but maybe not today. So we're on day 76 already. Thanks for watching so far. I never really set out to make a video a day or drive to different areas. It's just kind of evolved into that. But I thought a couple of days ago, I'm not going to drive somewhere just to run, so I thought, I'm just going to be honest. It's just real life. It's just me running for 100 days. Good or bad, short runs, long runs, runs where I fall over. So I thought to myself, I live in Grantown on Spey, and I just run round Grantown on Spey. But do I really notice the signs that I run by, the history, the changes that are happening? So that's what I'm trying to do. Just pay a bit more attention to where I'm going. So today, I've ran through Grant Park, said hello to some ducks. Yes, I have, gave them all quite a few names. I think Donald was the first one. Let's not go there. So I'm going to head round to the mountain bike trail track. I wonder if the Bothy Bakes is open, an industrial estate. That opened in 2020. One of the few positive things from 2020. As we leave the industrial estate, there's a new dog park. So things always change. Sometimes you just don't see them. So we've seen a lot of history, a lot of churches, the railway track. Let's take a wee wander through Anagach Woods. Thank you for watching. So we've got a first sign. Anagach mountain bike trails to my right. If we go left, the River Spey, and we go right, takes you back to Grantown. I turned round that quickly, got a little bit dizzy there. Forgot to show you the map. Come look down here. And this is a sign for mountain bike trails in Anagach Woods. These trails and jump park have been designed for a wide range of users, from novices to experienced and competent mountain bike riders. You know, for the longest time, I was calling this area a skate park. You know how you naturally call things a word and it just seems to stick. So to me, I've ran round this skate park bike trail many a time. But what I've really enjoyed is getting to know places properly, what they're used for, who uses them, and how much fun they have. Let's keep going and enjoy the non-skate park bike trail. This trail is called Going Bothy. I finally got something named after me. Going Bothy. Okay. I'd love to get a bike again and go out and do some proper cycling, but the last kind of 2 experiences have kind of put me off with having a bad left and right knee. About 20 years ago, I took part in a charity event where we cycled from Glasgow to Edinburgh. A fantastic event, a very worthy cause, but I don't know if I had the wrong bike, the wrong seating position, the wrong person cycling it. But the last couple of miles were quite painful for me. Again, it could be the wrong bike. And the time before that, me and my wonderful oldest daughter decided to have one final shot on a bike, cycle down a hill as fast as we could, and both of us decided to throw ourselves off at the last minute. So she was okay, that was my main concern, Everything turned out all right. She was perfectly fine. I was very embarrassed. Ended up with a broken left wrist and a smashed right knee. But the most important thing was I felt really bad. And I still do. So my oldest girl, I'm very sorry. We had a lot of fun, didn't we? And that was one of them, until we hit that big massive hole at the hill and fell off the bikes. So the sun's come out on day 76. It's been a good couple of days. Yesterday was a lot of fun going to Aberdeen. We saw like a beach fire, then fire brigade putting it out. But a really good day. So let's carry on. Crossing today the old Spey Bridge. That was built in 1754, but it's now used by walkers and cyclists. And the bridge we're crossing today, replacing the old Spey Bridge, was opened in 1931. So when the train station closed in the 60s in Grantown West, as the rails slowly disappeared and the bridge was gone, the industrial estate just kind of took its place. And as the industrial estate began to expand, there's now a second one at Anagach Industrial Estate. So I thought I'd see if Bothy Bakes are open today. Let's just go and see. When the Mountain Cafe in Aviemore closed in 2020, Bothy Bakery in Grantown and Spey was born. So what was Aviemore's loss, Grantown certainly gained. And it also gained a unique delivery service. These bikes cycle about Grantown in the local area, dropping cakes off at Bothy Bakery. And in 2023, the Bothy Bakery took home first prize in the Scottish Small Retailer of the Year. And my plan is to be third time lucky. First time I didn't know the opening times. Second time I forgot about the opening times. Third time I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, they do a very unique delivery service where they deliver to you on bike. And I've often thought, should I stop them like a bus and put my hand up and say, are you selling any? I think it's delivery only. But I'm going to check that out. So all I wanted to do today was just show up. Sometimes you have good days, let's be honest, sometimes you have bad days. Sometimes you don't feel great. Sometimes you feel on top of the world. But what I'm doing, it's just real life. It's just me trying to fill a gap between finishing work, being tired and falling asleep with a remote control in my hand. Just trying to do something positive. So today I wanted to find 3 things: a non-skate park, bike trail, run through the industrial estate to get to Bothy Bakes, closed again. And now I heard there's a new dog park open up just where the old Spey Valley smokehouse is. I'm going to follow the path, just see if I can get a glimpse of it, just round here. They've still got a sign for Grantown East, miniature railway, gift shop, and sadly a dining carriage. I saw a big rock over there with green moss over it. In my first reflection I thought, is that a sheep lying down? I have to show you. I don't think it's this way. But let me show you a bridge. As part of the old Grantown East railway line that would follow its next stop to Nethy Bridge. I was just going to cross underneath the bridge, which was from Grantown East to Nethy Bridge, and I looked to my right hand side and I saw a dog park. So that's the bridge there. Which I'm assuming the train would go over. Now there's a path here. Actually, I think the train would go under the bridge. If you're watching this, please let me know, but I think it would go under the tunnel. And then I looked to my right and I saw what I thought was some steps and some new fencing. This must be a dog park, but I'm not too sure where the entrance is going to be. Maybe it's from the industrial estate. This must be the new dog park. It's a beautiful view from up here. I think I'll have to go back onto the main road just to see maybe where the car park would be. Yeah, let's have a closer look. It definitely looks like there's new tractor tyres been put in the grassy area. There's new fencing here. And it also looks like the grass has been cut. So I know it's definitely here. It's just finding somewhere. Maybe you can park your car. And this is what I've enjoyed about running for 76 days. At first I thought I'll run faster every month. That kind of went by the wayside. And then I thought I'd have long adventures every day. But I think what it comes down to is just finding the time. I've enjoyed the stress of trying to find the time. I've always enjoyed after it. So I suppose the message I'm just trying to get across is, this is 100 days of running. It doesn't matter what you do. If you go for a walk, go for a cycle. Even as the weather begins to change, it's enjoying those days where you put a jacket on, you go, isn't it getting a little bit colder? And your thoughts turn to, not long till the schools go back. When do the clocks change? How many days is it till Christmas? Don't say. I've no idea. But let's go and find the start of the dog park. And I'll show you the sheep that looks like a rock. Just a few moments ago, I was running by these horses and I looked to my left hand side, and let me show you the evidence. I know you're going to think, Frank, you're absolutely correct. Isn't that a sheep? The little black bit to the left, I thought maybe it was his face, and the green, it's a rock, isn't it? It's definitely a rock. Anyone else agree with me it's a sheep? Hands up. Anyone? Okay, let's carry on. So we've just passed the Spey Valley Smokehouse, and the dog park is just here. But I can now see a gate, so it must be accessed from the industrial estate. Okay, let's go back there. I found a new dog park, and also I think I have to buy new leggings. Come, I'll show you. So this is it. This is the home of Grantown's new dog park. I don't think it's even officially ready yet. But that is phenomenal. I wonder if it's the same owners who have the Aviemore and King Craig dog park. Very interesting. And it's amazing how on little runs you can find new things, like a dog park, new signs, and that's what I'm really enjoying. But now, after being in industrial estate for the second time, let's head home. So just before I go, let me show you something that I hope will make you laugh. So I was just crossing this bridge, and as I looked over, I saw two things. One was this wire, and I thought, is that a swing across the river? No, obviously it's not. It's probably some electricity, and then I saw this and I thought, how cool is that? These little fisherman huts have got Sky TV. Other operators are available. Obviously it's not Sky TV, it's probably solar paneling. Yeah, it did make me laugh. And if you are laughing just now, thank you for that. Even if it's just a pity laugh, I appreciate you. What a lovely day to be out. But sadly, no swing over the River Spey. So I've really enjoyed day 76. I set out to find the mountain bike trail, then run through an industrial estate, then finally try and find the new dog park for Grantown Spey. So I went to the industrial estate twice, but now I know where it is. I'm really looking forward to it opening. I'm sure me, Mrs. Everyone's got a story to tell, and our 3 dogs will have a fantastic time trying it out. So hope you've enjoyed today. I'm not too sure if 76, 77 will be together. But thank you for watching. And as always, I appreciate you listening and laughing along to my really bad jokes. I'll see you tomorrow.